everyone, my name is Christian J. Lupena. I am group leader of Group 8. I'm in College of Criminal Justice Education. This subject is about living in the IT era. The lesson we discuss today is about lesson 5, the color. Color are very essential to your composition. One may use a combination or more colors. It may be our instinct to choose color, but there is a science behind it called color theory. Color theory describes how different colors contribute to each other and how they appear as they are mixed into other color schemes. Before we proceed to different color schemes, let us go over more some technologies used in color. Hue refers to pure vibrant colors. Saturation refers to the intensity of the color. It ranges from black and white or grayscale to vibrant color. Value refers to lightness and darkness of a color. For example, from light blue to dark blue. Color schemes. Of course, we can still remember the lessons about color during art lesson. We have primary colors, the secondary colors, and the tertiary colors. A circular diagram, these colors is called a color wheel. Using this wheel, we can create our own color scheme or combination. This is the example of the color we talk about: the yellow, orange, red, violet, blue, and green. Yellow, orange, red, violet, blue, green, and yellow, green. The next part of the lesson 5 we discuss about monochromatic color scheme. This color scheme only focuses on one color. We talk about mono, it focuses on one, and often using variation by incorporating saturation and values. For example, if you close the color blue, then you may have other colors under the same color family like sky blue, baby blue, navy blue, or dark blue. Achromatic color scheme. This color scheme only resolved on using desaturated colors like black, gray, and white. Analogous color scheme. Analogous color scheme selects a group of 3 colors that are adjacent in the color wheel.
Achromatic color scheme. This color scheme only revolves on using desaturated colors like black, gray, and white. Analogous color scheme selects a group of 3 colors that adjacent in the wheels like green, blue, green, blue. Complementary color scheme. These are a color that are direct opposite to each other in the color wheel. Usually a combination of a primary and secondary color. Yellow, green, green, blue, violet, red, orange, yellow, orange between blue is a combination of
Split contemporary color scheme. Split contemporary color scheme use the colors on both sides of the opposite color. The center is yellow, green, blue, green, blue, blue, violet, violet, red, violet, red, red, orange, orange, yellow, orange. The center is yellow and both sides is blue, violet, and red, violet. Figure 18 displays contemporary colors. Color scheme predicts Equicolor's color wheel worksheets. Triadic color scheme. This color scheme uses colors that form an equilateral triangle. It may be a combination of primary, secondary, or tertiary colors like yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, green, blue, blue, violet, violet, red, orange, yellow, orange. The primary color is yellow, the secondary is blue, and tertiary colors is red. Thank you.
May gabi, sir. May gabi, classmate. Once again, may gabi. 3 color scheme. Use color scheme. Use color that form a equilateral rectangular. It be a combination of properly secondary or tertiary colors. It means yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, 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 white, white, red, 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 orange, orange, yellow. It means yellow, blue, red. This is the 3 colors. This is the 3 colors of this 3 color scheme. It means their color scheme, color with shade, and murato and may gabi sa tanan.
Let's proceed to topic 6, the image. Image enhance composition. Image including graphics and illustration makes composition appealing and powerful, moving beyond mere decoration. Stock photos are popular. Stock photos are now widely used due to their accessibility and cost effectiveness, with numerous websites providing such as resources. Image with types. Image file types. Vector image do not lose quality was zoom in. Raster image become pixelated when enlarged. Vector file extension EPS encapsulated PostScript AI Adobe Illustration document raster file extension JPG or JPEG joint photographic expert group. The most commonly used image file type known for Lucy